After looking at the current situation of drug cartels in Mexico and all the research, we can predict that violence and corruption are going to continue to move in the wrong direction and only get worse in the future.
Studies show that the number of murders related to the drug war in Mexico are only going to increase in the future.
From 2009 to 2010 alone, there was a 76% increase in the number of murders due to the drug cartels and shows no sign of improving.
Police in Mexico are trying their hardest to identify and get rid of the officers who are corrupt.
This is still a major issue that must be controlled in order to get a hold of this situation because these officers help the drug cartels succeed in their acts of terror. But even getting rid of the corrupt officers may not be enough to stop the violence.
A recent solution has come up from Americans who are studying at Harvard University. They suggest that the corruption of police will only start to decrease if they change who is funding Mexican federal and state governments. Mexico could also give recent politicians a chance at re-election, which would make them be more cautious of the decisions they make while in power. These two steps would cause people to make better decisions for the future instead of handing the next leader a bunch of problems that they had created.
This study done by Harvard University also suggests that the only way to get a new judicial system
that runs properly is by recognizing the functioning police forces are essential in ensuring the safety of non-corrupt officials, which goes along with maintaining public safety and order. We think that Mexico will try to make a judicial system that is fully functional by taking advice from the United States, but will not succeed. No matter how hard Mexico tries, there is no way to fully eliminate people who are corrupt, and this may not work.
And as we look further into this subject, we found out much more.
The Mexican government doesn't make an effort to control the drug cartels.
By listening to suggestions from outer countries, nothing is going to get better. We think the government will never have complete control since it is almost impossible to eliminate violence. If someone wants somebody dead, they will find some way to make it happen.
After looking at all the evidence shown through recent studies and our own insight, we can conclude that the drug cartel war is only going to get worse in the future. People in the police and judicial system will continue to be corrupt. Violence will continue to increase, and innocent lives and families will be affected throughout the nation for many years to come.